Um, this is the second part of the second video for the kite network example. So we were at the I was explaining what the graph matrix is. We were at maximum edges in a connected component. So the maximum edges in a connected component, it is the number of edges in the connected component with the most edges. This is equal to the number of edges in the kite network because they are all part of the only connected component. The next one is the maximum geodesic distance, which is the diameter. The geodesic distance is the length of the shortest path between two people. If you think of the edges as roads and the vertices as houses, the geodesic distance would be the number of roads someone must take to get from one house to another. Assuming that the person is traveling on the shortest path possible. The maximum geodesic distance or diameter of a network is the largest geodesic distance of all, or the geodesic distance, or the distance between the two vertices that are farthest from each other. The kite network, the value is 4 for the graph pen. For example, the shortest path from Jane to Andre, Beverly, Carol and Ed is 4. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. All other geodesic distances you can say are smaller. The shortest path between Jane and Ike, which is 1. Average geodesic distance. Um, this value gives a sense of how close community members are from one another. If it is high, many individuals in the social network do not directly know each other. People may be connected through a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend, but they are not connected through the shortest paths. If it is low, most people know one another either directly or through a mutual friend. Graph density. The number between 1 and 0 indicating how interconnected the vertices are in the network. For the kite network, there are 18 edges and 45 possible edges, resulting in a graph density of the graph density is 0.4. As I mentioned earlier, there are 18 edges and 45 possible edges. And the last column in the graph matrix, which is the Node Excel version, this indicates the um, version of Node Excel which we are currently. So this is how we import data from external sources and um, calculate the graph matrix and work on other different things in Node Excel. Um, Node Excel also has a graph gallery. It's called Node Excel graphgallery.org. So this contains a wide variety of Node Excel graphs which are uploaded every day by the user. You can download the graph, you can click on the graph and see what the data consists of. In this example, the data is being collected from Twitter, and um, the information regarding the overall graph matrix is given. There are top URLs in the tweet for the graph, so on and so forth. There are various other graphs which one can look at, and these can also be downloaded and viewed in your local machine on Node Excel. So this concludes the tutorial for the using data from data sets. In the next tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to import data from Twitter. Thank you.